місто доволі гарне, до речі.
Я хотіла зайти.
Welcome to Wales. We are in Wales. Дивись, одразу засадять. О, воняє. So we arrived to the first place. So we arrived to the first spot. We're gonna see some waterfalls, one of the most famous in Wales. Maybe you can swim there, so we'll see. Let's go. So guys, to access this place, you need to follow Google Maps and be ready. If you want to park a car here, you just need some cash with you. It's 5 quid every parking gonna cost you. So just don't remember to bring cash with you. I don't think you need to go that way. Да, оце от початок. Вон початок.
We're trying to find our way to waterfall. So it's not so easy. It's our trail to waterfall. Extreme. It's a lot of people here. And we're here. Yay! Some river. We had to wear something for hiking.
Why didn't you?
I don't know, just forgot. Oh yeah, we did it. Look at this.
Let's go.
Let's try the water.
Nice place to swim.
Yeah, it's cold. It's really cold. I think it's really hard for us to swim in there. It's really cold.
Okay.
We can try, but yeah.
Let's go through the downstream
I think it's impossible.
and figure out.
So now it starts the hard part with all the stones. So actually, going this path with baby, it's more difficult than we imagined. But Alexi is gonna be alright. I think you should be prepared for such adventures. But come on, this view is just something amazing.
Це коло займає 3-4 години.
So which way are we here? So where we go? We come from here. So if you want to go to this one, it's
Okay, here is the first one from 4 waterfall trail. Oh, the second one is really lovely. I can't say its name, but look at this. It's starting over there, and the waterfall is that side. We actually wanted to swim in there, but the path which is going down is tricky, so we probably can't make it with this backpack. So we'll probably go to the next one and see if we can swim there.
We are up to the next waterfall, and it's not easy.
Почекай, тут бачиш, який підйом, ти не зможеш.
So
Втомишся дуже швидко.
we just need time and some strength. Whew. Hopefully 1 hour more, and then we will get our lunch. So what you should know about these 4 waterfall trails. Essential thing that you want to bring with you is really comfortable shoes. Maybe some shoes for hiking, exactly, because I just have my just simple footwear. But as long as it's a lot of stones and really hard trail, you want to get something more comfortable and easy to go. And of course some food with you, because we had our food but it's all in the car, and if you're just tired and want to get more fuel, you need to have at least some snacks, and of course water, a lot of water. No, візьми вода.
Ну, що якось можна.
На.
It hits me when I go.
Get some water. Was it hard to get up?
Easy peasy.
Okay,
go.
let's go.
Well, we have the last waterfall for today. Hopefully we're gonna swim there. We'll see. We're almost there. We have a hard trial downhill. So it is давай. Ножка. Опа. Опа, готова?
Ready?
Ready. And next move. Аккуратно. And that's all.
Let's just close this scene.
I think it's just 5-10 minutes and we're there.
Yeah, we're going here and we're going down here. So let's start this hard trail to our last waterfall. Hopefully this one will be really beautiful, and maybe Alexei can swim in there and we just enjoy the weather. Almost there. Just some more steps ahead, 3, and then you will see this beautiful waterfall. I already see it, so I'm just curious. And you ready? Oh my god, it is so beautiful.
See the people over there.
Yeah. We can try. Maybe not with Alice, but you can go.
I will go.
You excited?
I think they try to swim and with their clothes. They don't really have a swimsuit or something.
Oh yeah, I see.
Well, why don't just they use like underwear or something? Yeah, I'm definitely.
Yeah. Someone just swimming there. Wow. Yeah, you wanna try?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just want to show you guys how it's busy today. It's just a lot of tourists, a lot of people here, and they just keep going. So Alexei decided to go swimming. It's actually really cold water, but he wanted to try himself. How do you feel?
Very good. So, last waterfall taken, it's like, I think 8 minutes down and 15 up. It's not so bad, even with this huge thing.
Yeah, going
Okay.
down with this stairs.
A lot of stairs, yeah, they're huge, but it's not a big deal.
So we can tell that that was the most, maybe, yeah, beautiful waterfall
Yeah,
from
that's the best one, yeah.
from all these four.
4 of them. Only.
Yeah, it was really beautiful, and just guys noticed that
It's so crowded. It's really.
yeah,
It's just April. It's so,
a lot
so
of
crowded.
people there, a lot of people who want to swim, a lot of people who want just to see this waterfall and to get picture. So be ready for this.
But the water wasn't too cold. So it's.
Yeah.
I mean, it's cold when you just enter it, but after a few seconds or minutes,
It was alright, yeah.
you can sit there for a while. And,
Yeah.
Unfortunately, you probably can't do that in winter time. That's why basically in winter time probably this place is not so overcrowded.
Yeah, and so now we're heading back to our car, and our next stop is gonna be Cardiff. That can take us how long to get there?
I have no idea.
We have no idea,
I think
but
around
we
1
already
hour.
want to eat because all our food is in the car. So I think that we will go there. We'll have some snacks that we brought from home, and then we'll go to the city, and maybe we can find some restaurant or pub where we can grab some lunch, and of course to see the city. So see you there.
Давай.
Alice, what would you say? How was your day today? Nice?
Happy birthday.
Nice?
Nice.
Okay.
Happy birthday. Oh, see. Bah!
There.
Bah!
Okay, let's go.
We are going to have some food. Yoo-hoo! Finally. Hi guys, so we finally arrived at our pub. We found some cool pub on Google Maps. It calls Plymouth Arms, just because we are really hungry and we want to get some food. What about this pub? It's actually, we ordered beer, just like classic beer we usually drink. But what that surprised us is that they don't have any local beer, so we just ordered Peroni. It is nice. And as for the food, we ordered some home-baked pie of the day for Alexi, and for me we ordered grilled bacon chop. And they actually have a kids menu that was really good for Alice. So now we are waiting for our food because we are really hungry. See you
In a minute.
in a minute when we get our food because we just starving.
Okay, what do we have here?
Yeah, we actually got our food. So this is my pork
Bacon chop,
bacon chop,
chicken nuggets,
chicken nuggets,
and pie of the day.
pie, yeah. Може Олісі скуштувати? А що внутрі там? Просто порк, да? Ой, чи що? Чи біф?
Well, we just finished the food. We had to take something with ourselves to home.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now we're heading to Cardiff to walk around the
To
city
see
a
the
bit.
center, yeah, just to see how it looks like, to walk around, maybe.
We'll see. Here we parked the car. It's just next to Cardiff Castle. Alice is happy riding her bike. So yeah, I think in a couple of minutes we're gonna see the castle and we'll show it to you. So we just parked the car over there. Here is a bridge just next to Cardiff Castle. I think it's somewhere over there. So we're gonna check it out. Alice just fell down on the bike, so we probably decrease some time in Cardiff now. But here is the castle. Looks really nice. Shame we can't get inside because it's too late. Well, here is a view from another side. Oh yeah, it looks really nice. I'm gonna go investigate some streets around it. Here is one of the center streets. So many people here. Feels like the nightlife is leaving. all restaurants are busy.
So guys, we really like the city center. It's really big. We have a lot of different tiny streets with a lot of pubs, cafes, restaurants. And today is Saturday, and it's just living with people who wants to party, who wants to get crazy. It's just a lot of people.
Well, now we're heading back. Last view in Cardiff Stadium.
Our trip is coming to the end, and we really enjoyed it. And it was really nice day out in Wales. Unfortunately, we haven't much time to walk around the city, but we are planning to come here again
Yeah,
soon.
a couple times this summer definitely. Yeah, to
Yeah.
see more things, to go up north, etc.
Yeah, we had pretty much busy day and plans, so yeah, really enjoyed it.